Well, it started snowing in Lafayette yesterday afternoon, right around 3 p.m. Since then, it has not stopped. Now, we are beginning to see a nice little dry slot begin to slip into the southern half of the viewing area as of right now. But nonetheless, that doesn't mean the snow is coming to an end. Just notice off to the southwest, across parts of St. Louis and southwestern Illinois, still more snowfall tracking towards our region. Now, as of right now, you can see, looking at our Precision 18 radar, parts of Montgomery County, Fountain County, even Warren County becoming dry at this point. Even Tippecanoe County staying at least southwestern Tippecanoe County looking a little bit drier than it has been in recent hours. Still heavy snowfall for the northern portion of the viewing area. We still may see between 1 to 3 inches of additional accumulation before the morning is up. Have a look at our Renaissance cam. This is our pedestrian bridge over the Wabash River. You can see the winds blowing, snow blowing as well. Plenty of drifts on the pedestrian bridge. A better look, though, comes from our Sagamore Parkway traffic camera. You can see the snow-riddled roadways throughout the viewing area. Blowing and drifting snow will be a major problem throughout the morning. Even as the plows go by, blowing and drifting snow goes right back onto the roads, making for a treacherous commute. So please, if you are traveling this morning, use caution. Benton County under a travel warning, which means travel should be restricted to emergency personnel only. Tippecanoe County under a travel watch. That's one step down, which means necessary travel only. Please be safe over the next few hours. As far as temperatures go, we're sitting at 20 degrees in Lafayette. Winds are from the north, right around 13 miles per hour. That's a sustained wind speed of 13 miles per hour, though we may see wind gusts as high as 30 miles per hour this morning. It's 19 degrees in Crawfordsville, 19 as well in Rossville, 20 degrees in Rensselaer as you step out the door this morning. Our current wind chills, it feels like 9 degrees in Fowler, feels like 8 in Lafayette, feels like 7 degrees stepping out the door in Kokomo, which actually is pretty much child's play compared to what we're going to be dealing with later tonight into early tomorrow morning. Your high-res futurecast, that snowfall continues throughout the morning hours, finally coming to an end, likely just after your lunch hour. Check out a couple more scattered light snow showers Wednesday at right around noon. Then by about 5 p.m. we're completely dry. But once that snow moves off, the winds will stick around, meaning blowing and drifting snow still a possibility throughout the afternoon hours. And then we start talking about the chances for temperatures plummeting below zero once again. So scattered cloud cover late tonight into early tomorrow morning. We are still looking at that winter storm warning throughout the viewing area until about 1 p.m. Eastern time. Then once that comes to an end, wind chill advisories start going into effect for the southern half of the viewing area. We reach 24 degrees in Lafayette later this afternoon, 26 in Crawfordsville, and in fact that's going to be our temperature in Lafayette right around 5 p.m. We'll dip back down to around 23 by 10 p.m. plummet all the way back down to -4 overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Winds from the northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. We're looking at as wind chills as low as -20 throughout the viewing area. Tomorrow will be a cold one, but partly cloudy. We'll actually see some peaks of sun throughout the day tomorrow. Scattered cloud cover expected, mainly cloudy skies by about the evening hours, and then we'll see temperatures drop off to around -8. That's after we see a temperature of right around 5 degrees. We only warm back up to around 12 degrees come Friday, Saturday. High temperature of 24. Another chance of snow. First light flurries come Saturday. Sunday, a much better chance of accumulation. May see an additional 1 to 3 inches of accumulation Sunday afternoon. We dry out once again for Monday. However, look at those overnight lows once again. -2 Sunday night and the Monday. We'll only warm up to around 11 degrees by Monday afternoon.
All right, Cam, a couple updates for you. We have some more closings to pass along. All Tippecanoe County government offices are closed today. That includes the Tippecanoe County Courthouse, and Purdue University has canceled all classes until 1 p.m. Only personnel deemed essential personnel are instructed to show up before 1 p.m. today.
All right, well, coming up,